Welcome to KEYINSIDE. My name is Mobinul Islam. I help people through real estate. Today we'll discuss about the market trend and what would be the interest rate trend in the market. We'll discuss this one. So let's go deep dive into with data. If you see here, the real estate market has a bumpy road from 2022. It went down to the bottom in January 2023, then went up, then again went down. So at the moment, it is increased a little bit in January and February 2024. So let's see what's the picture in other area of the market. If we see here the median price and the average days of the market is significantly changed. The average price is 1.86 and the days of the market is 15 days, which is means that houses are selling a little faster than October, November, and December. So this is a significant indication that buyer confidence and increase. We can see the similar patterns in Mississauga area, and also East End also have the same picture. So if we see in the whole picture in a graph, everywhere the price was really high, then went down, and the average is almost 30% in all the market area. So for example, Scarborough House, the price of a detached house was 1.1, and it went up in February 1.86, which increased 86,000. And we can see the similar pattern in all the markets except Toronto. I will discuss Toronto as a different way because it doesn't follow the same pattern. But the most important thing is there is a lot of room here to grow to increase up to the peak. Now we can see the other market where we can know where the interest rate is going. Is it going down, or it will remain same, or is going to up? So there are a few criteria play big roles here. One is called inflation. So inflation is very good now, is 2.8, which is more than lower than the expectation. Then you can see the US market, the inflation also 3.3. So we are bringing US here because US market has a big role to play when it comes to change the interest rate, because it is a big economy and Canada has to follow some extent for that. And in general, in economics theory, when interest rate is up, so economy, the GDP should go down, and that is the intention, that it should be an artificial recession. But it is not happening due to the abnormal pattern. The GDP is going up significantly in Canada. So similar pattern, the US GDP is really strong in reality and prediction wise. So, and Canada's GDP forecast by also very high compared to the other partners in the world, like European Union. So another strong indicator whether the interest rate will go down or not is called bond market. So in the bond market, we can see it went down continuously up to November. Then there's some bumpy road. When it went down, everybody predict that the interest rate is going to go down soon, because it's one of the key indicator for the market borrowing cost. So is right now is 4.2, and Canada's bond market is 3.46, which is also not very low compared to, if you see here, January it was like 3.2. And in contrast, the unemployment rate also didn't go down. Actually, it's a little bit better than in December, but it's very slight better. So what does it mean to that? And Fed is saying that, oh, they are going to cut 3 times in a year when the stock market went up, and also Canada inflation rate was 2.8% in February. And as we explained earlier, Canada GDP is really strong, which is making the Bank of Canada in a tough position to decrease their interest rate. So what is going to happen, all these things, to our market? Basically, as per the prediction, interest rate going down in the beginning of second quarter which is not going to happen. It will take some longer time, maybe end of second quarter or third quarter, and it will impact the housing price too. Housing price, people confidence level was high in January and February significantly, but after that, we don't see much activities in terms of price in March is due to the expected interest rate not going down. Again, the spring market is coming, so everything is going to combine, which will result not increasing the housing market crazily, but it will continue increase. The price will not go down. So maybe is one of the time to buyer to decide whether they jump in the market, and the seller to wait further long so that market can go up and make a decision. Thank you very much. Welcome to see my next session. Bye for now.